What's up guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your walls basically indestructible and creative. So you're going to want to hop into a creative match, and since it's my island, go to your island, and here's mine. So I will, right here, and to show you that the walls are unbreakable, I'll start the game. And as you can see, the walls are unbreakable. I cannot break them, but I can break my structures, just like that. So don't have to worry about that. And I can shoot anywhere. So how you activate this is you have to go to my island, and so let's go to my island, and make sure it's on settings. So just go down a little bit, and this is it. So building can destroy environment, make that no. And environment damage, player built only. And structure damage, self built. So if I turn all these off and I switch them, I will start my game. I will be able to take this out. Take that out. So that is when you turn it off, and turn it back on, just to make sure. I'll show you. So this is basically what you want to do. So make this no. Environmental damage, make it player built only, and structure damage, actually make it enemy and self built. And if I start the game, all I have to do is take that, and it does not take damage at all. So that is the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Please consider subscribing, and peace.